What is up, Unusual? Today, we're going to be talking about how to grow out your small business on TikTok. Now, TikTok is an upcoming app that is getting more watch time than YouTube nowadays. I said it, YouTube. People are starting to go on TikTok way more, and it's perfect for small businesses who are looking to grow out their brand. So, if you're somebody who wants to grow out your brand, TikTok is the perfect opportunity for you. The first thing that you need to do when starting your brand on TikTok is make sure to not delete your videos, especially when you're first starting out. This is crucial, and this messed me up when I was first starting out, because I remember I would just post a video, right? And then I wouldn't like it, or I think it was bad, then I delete it. Not knowing that TikTok does not like when you delete videos. It puts it down. It doesn't mess. The algorithm doesn't like when you keep on deleting videos, because it's not good for your growth. Because TikTok in general, when a video stays on there longer, it has a bigger chance for virality. So if a video stays on there for 48 hours, it might just still blow up. I had videos in the past that blew up after the 24-hour phase. If I would have deleted them, I would have never got the chance to blow up. And TikTok knows this, and it doesn't like this. Now, you don't fully get shadow banned for deleting your stuff. I hope not. You don't fully get shadow banned, but TikTok does not like it at all when you delete your content. Now, the second thing that you need to do is post consistently every single day. At least 3 to 5 times every single day. Why is this important? Because especially when you're first starting out, you don't know what trends, what songs, you don't know anything about the app yet. So you need to be posting 3 to 5 times per day so that you know what works for your small business. And you might be asking,
what am I finna post 3 to 5 times today?
It doesn't all have to be new posts. You could be posting reposts about old videos that you did. And the other videos could just be new trends, you know? You could look at other accounts inside of your niche and copy off of those accounts and then make videos that are similar to that and then watch them blow up. You always don't have to come up with new content. You just gotta see what works for other people and then try to copy that inside of your own business. That's essentially how you blow up. You don't have to create the wheel all over again. You just have to hop on something that's already working. This brings me to the third way, which is using popular songs and hashtags inside of your niche. Now, TikTok is an app where sounds matter a lot. I had a video that I posted, right? But it had a different sound on it, and I reposted it, and I took that sound out, and I added another sound, and it started going crazy with the views. At first, it was only getting 100, and then it got close to 1,000 views just off of me changing the sound. So popular sounds on TikTok tend to do a lot better. The sound matters for your TikTok videos, because TikTok has a whole page where when you look up that sound and you click on that page, it shows all the videos related to that sound. So if that sound is very popular or gets trending, your video is gonna blow up, which is very good for your business. Now, hashtags is another important thing, because hashtags show what your video is about. Basically the keywords of your overall video. So let's say I look up something like clothing, or I look up makeup, and you already have the hashtag makeup. Most than likely your videos are going to be grouped with that type of hashtag. So when people look it up, they're going to see your video. Now, the fifth way to blow up your small business on TikTok is using computer generated voices. Now, why is this important? Using computer generated voices, especially at the beginning of videos, helps grab people's attention. TikTok is a place where people's attention spans only last 2 to 3 seconds at most. So you need an eye catcher so that people will help stay inside of your videos long enough to actually care. Computer generated voice just means changing your text to speech so that people will want to actually stay on your videos more. The sixth way to blow up on TikTok is creating shorter videos. Using shorter videos matter because, like I said before, people's attention spans are really short. So when you have a shorter video, that means your watch time is going to be more, and your ability to people to actually share that content is going to be more too. And the more that your watch time is more on TikTok, the more your videos are going to be pushed out. So that means people are going to be watching more of the videos since it's actually shorter. So aim to make videos between the 5-second mark and the 13-second mark so that they'll be able to get pushed out. Now, the last way to blow up your small business on TikTok, which is by far one of the most important ways that I see a lot of people forget, including myself all the time, is showing your product. The brands that show their product the most on TikTok are probably the brands that get the most sales, because people actually want to see your product since that's the only thing that they can see on the app. So when you're showing your product to people, you have a better chance of reaching more sales and reaching more trust with people. Don't just create content with you in the photo, which is something that I do, but create content that people really want to appreciate and really want to buy your product.